Hi, I'm Sabina from Contabo. If you want to push code faster, reduce deployment errors, and ship features with confidence, this guide is for you. Today I'll show you how to set up a powerful Jenkins pipeline to automate your CI/CD integration process, including automated testing and continuous deployment. Let's dive in. A deployment pipeline is an automated series of steps that makes your code from development to production. Continuous deployment means every code change that passes all tests is automatically released to your live environment without needing manual approval. Whether you're building a startup, MVP, or scaling a production app, Jenkins gives you full control of your deployment process. It integrates easily with Git, runs tests automatically, and handles deployments to your server, like a Contabo VPS. Start by installing Jenkins on your server. On an Ubuntu-based VPS, run this. Once installed, access Jenkins through your browser here. Click New Item, give your pipeline a name and select Pipeline. Hit OK. Under Pipeline Settings, we'll define the steps of your continuous deployment workflow. Use a basic declarative syntax in the pipeline script area. This script does 4 things. It clones your repo, builds the app, runs automated tests, and deploys it, all in one automated flow. Now add security and access controls. Make sure to configure proper credentials for Git, SSH, or any third-party services. Use Jenkins Credentials Manager to store secrets safely. Let's say you're running a Node app on a Contabo VPS. Jenkins will now help you to run your tests automatically after every commit, push new builds to your production server, restart services using PM2 or Docker, notify your team via Stack when deployments succeed or fail, set up post-deployment steps like health checks, rollback scripts, alerts on test, or deploy failure. Always monitor after deployment using tools like Prometheus, New Relic, or simply log watchers. With Jenkins pipelines, you now have full CI/CD integration, automated testing after each push, continuous deployment to your live servers, and complete control over your Jenkins pipeline process. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo!